How to solve error in ProtonVPN. Hello everyone, it's me Rag, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can solve the error in ProtonVPN. If any day you find any error on your ProtonVPN, at first you have to find the very ProtonVPN on your device. After you find the very ProtonVPN on your device, you have to tap on it and then go to the I like option. After tapping on the I like option, it will take you to an interface like this. After it takes you to an interface like this, you have to tap on notifications and then enable allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. You can go back then tap on permissions. Here you have to allow the permission to notifications and then go back again. Here you have to tap on set as default and then enable open the supported links and then go back again. Now then you have to go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, if you see any of the cache, you have to clear down the cache and then go back once again. Then go to the option of app details and store. Now after tapping on app details and store, it will take you to an interface like this. Here if you see the option of update, you have to update it and you are done. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.